Welcome to the TLG Used Truck Center, your source for high-quality used semi-trucks. As a division of the Larson Group, we're part of a dealer network of more than 25 locations across 8 states. And for more than 35 years, TLG has built our reputation on trust, service, and reliability. From day cabs to sleepers, medium duty to vocational trucks, we carry an all makes inventory of high quality, used trucks to keep your business rolling. Need financing? We've got you covered with flexible, in-house financing through TLG Financial and warranty options to give you peace of mind. Plus, take advantage of our full aftermarket parts inventory with TRP Strafford, conveniently located inside the TLG Used Truck Center and open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Backed by an experienced sales team, our goal is to get you in the right truck right now, just off I-44 near Springfield, Missouri. Visit us today or browse our current inventory anytime at tlgtrucks.com. The TLG Used Truck Center is ready to serve you and your business.